Hi people, alright, welcome to Photoshop 101 episode 6. Wait, is it episode 6? Have we reached episode 6? Holy crap, hold on. Honestly, I don't even know what episode we're at. Okay, we're at episode 5. It's episode 5, alright. Welcome to Photoshop 101 episode 5! Woo! Okay, I'm trying to keep the hype up. Yeah, just exciting. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to use one of my favorite tools in Photoshop, and that is the trusty pen tool, alright? So what this pen tool does is what I would say a precise way for you guys to select anything and any subject out of your pictures, alright? So this is a very precise way for you to select your subjects, and with pen tool you can do that with the right amount of patience, to be honest. But mostly I use the pen tool when I have client work, alright? So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. And as usual, today's tutorial I want to try to keep it as simple and short as possible. So we'll only be covering the pen tool and maybe a few bonus tips. I'll teach you guys something extra, alright? But anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll appreciate that, and leave a like, and of course share this video for people that wants to learn about Photoshop, alright? Anyways, as usual, I'll put down the timeline for just in case you guys want to skip through to that part of the video and you can learn from it. You can just, as usual, just skip through to that timeline, alright? Anyways, I think we should get this video started, alright? This tutorial started. Let's go! Alright, so we're on Photoshop right now. So I'll be using this very nice portrait of my model, Angel. So that's what I'm going to use today. So let's just say, for example, right, I just don't want the mirror in the picture and I just want Angel to be part of the picture, right? This is where pen tool can come into play, just for precise selection, alright? That's because the quick selection tool will end up selecting, I'm gonna show you guys. It'll just make a mess and it will start selecting other areas, which the quick selection tool, it seems to do a decent job. But let's just say I want to do a fine, precise detail. That's when you use the pen tool, alright? Let me just Command D right here to deselect. Okay, so let's just start, alright? So anyway, keyboard shortcut P to select the pen tool, because pen, P-E-N, pen, duh, alright? So anyway, let's just start from her legs. We select from her legs, and let's just do. I'm gonna try my best to do a precise job. Usually, what you can do is you can just zoom in just so that you see. So I really want to do a precise job. So you see all this bend at this area. What you can do is you can just start by clicking. Then when you reach the bends, you just hold down the left click and just curve it. Then you just continue your work. Right. If you're if you want perfectionism, then this is what you do. You just take your time with the pen tool. But yeah, usually I like to maneuver around the hand tool, which is H, just so that I can just drag the image around. H and P, I just maneuver that around, and of course Z for zoom in and out. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, so that took a while, and yeah, that's what pen tool does. If you want to have a precise selection of your subject, and yeah, and good things must wait, alright? So that is why it takes a while. But anyway, at the end of the selection, you just connect the end point to the start point. You just get that, you stop, just select it. Then you go to the top area, and just click selection. Alright, after you click selection, usually I like to put the feather radius at 1, so you can just keep it at 1 or whatever choice you want, your feather radius to be. I ain't gonna stop you. Anyway, yeah, just click OK, and that is what happens. Alright, the pen tool will select out that area which you have selected out, and yeah, you just then after that, just click the mask icon, and yeah, voila, you just got yourself a very nice selection of Angel. Alright, yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys for the pen tool. So it's just a precise way for you guys to select out your subject. And yeah, it's one of the tools which I would say I'll use when like the background is a bit complicated. So the pen tool comes into play if I just want the subject, but I have a very complicated background, and that is when I'll use the pen tool. Alright, so that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Bonus tip. Alright, so here's something else which I like to do with the pen tool, and that is, let's just say for example, okay, this picture of Angel, right? I want the whole background to be actually the artificial grass and turf. So usually what I like to do is I just I'll create an extra layer. Then after creating the extra layer, I'll use the pen tool, right, to select out that area which I want it just to be artificial grass. Then after that, usually I'll just, of course, you just select it and just radius feather radius 1 it. And after that, I'll just shift delete, then content aware. After content aware, it won't do the most perfect job. Content aware fill, then it'll enter. It won't do the most perfect job, so then I'll cover it up and just tidy up with the clone stem tool, which is S, which you guys have learned in the previous episodes. Alright, so yeah, that's it. That's all I do more with the pen tool. Alright guys, thank you guys all for watching today's Photoshop 101 episode 5 video. Holy crap, we are halfway. Alright, we're halfway. So anyways, this is a 10 episode series for beginners to learn about Photoshop. And yeah, I'm always thrilled to do my part in helping you guys learn about Photoshop and anything regarding photography. Hopefully I'll do another series more in the future, but this is Photoshop 101 episode 5. Hope you guys learned something. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please stay safe and take care, because it is the pandemics period. And yeah, please take care. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative. Bye bye.